Bismillah, join me in making the buko salad. Buko means a young coconut. So this is the grated young coconut from the Philippines. Our cream, first, what you need to do when making buko salad is just to mix the 1 pack of all-purpose cream first, and also half of this Nestle condensed milk. And then you add the young coconut so that it will absorb the taste. And then you add 1 can of fruit cocktail and also 1 bottle of kaong. This is the kaong. So you just add it all together, including the fruit cocktail. The kaong juice, you need to throw it away. You just put the kaong. Kaong means palm fruit. So the cocktail, the fruit cocktail, you need to put all, including the juice of the fruit cocktail, because it is very yummy. So this is it. This is my dinner and lunch.